Excuse me, mate, you don't know the way out, do you? Alright guys, welcome to another video. We're down at the motorist today, kit cars and modified. Right, I'm with Russell and his kit car. Can you tell us a bit more about it, mate?
Hi. It's a 1980 Dutton Phaeton with a small block Chevy. 2-speed power glide. Forward 9-inch back axle. It was dynoed 615 brake horse, not at wheels, and 250 shot of nitrous as well when I race it. My best time I've done is 862, 152 at 70 points.
So with Chris and Felicity, you've got a Toyota Crown and Chris has got his RX7. What engine's in it?
It's 13B rotary.
13B. See, it's got a nice turbo on it.
Big turbo, Grady turbo. Came in from Japan like that actually. Yeah.
Right. What sort of power is it running?
420 high boost, 350 low.
Enough then, enough to do the job.
That's alright. I never put it on high. Just leave it on low or for everything, yeah.
Right. What sort of body kit has it got on it?
It's an Amiyama. I can never say it right. But that again, the body kit came in from Japan. It was imported that way.
Right. What wheels are on it?
Work S1s. I just picked those up. When did I pick those up? Last week. Was it last week? A couple of weeks ago. But they were a bit battered. I got them really cheap to be fair. Right. I've just had them refurbed to look pristine.
Right. What about paint job?
So the paint is a standard flat yellow. It's not the actual proper nice RX7 yellow that everybody talks about, but it's an RX7 in the right colour for me.
Right. Is there anything else that you want to add?
Not really.
No?
Yeah.
So I'm with Felicity, with a Toyota Crown. Is the alt that stands out to you that you've done to the car?
We put some BC racing coilovers on it. Changed the wheels. They're not the wheels that I want, but they'll do for now. Done put an HKS intake on it. That's about it for now.
And what engine's in it?
So 1J, 2.5.
1J. What wheels has it got on it? Ultralight wheels.
Ultralight wheels, yeah.
Paint wise.
It has this comes up to help you park. It's got one at the back as well.
Oh, is that one of them big antennas?
Yeah.
Right.
The one at the back is automatic. You have to put that one up if you want to do that. It's just a very comfortable car. We were thinking about manual swap, but it's just such a comfortable ride. So we'll probably keep it automatic, but perhaps go big power instead. So because obviously 1Js can take quite a lot.
Yeah, it can take like similar like 500-600.
Yeah, without doing anything too major to it. Yeah, it's just a nice comfortable car. I've always wanted one. When we lived in Hong Kong, the taxis in Hong Kong are Crown Comforts, and I've always wanted a Crown, so I saw this one come up, and that was that. The colour is a dark green. It looks black, but it's a very dark green with a bit of fleck in it as well. So my husband's printed these, so they stay upright as you move.
Right.
And I painted them. So yeah,
So,
that's it.
right, that's fine. We're done with his MX-5. Can you tell us a bit about it, mate?
Yeah, it's a Rocketeer conversion done by Bruce, who used to work at McLaren and Overfinch. He's designed it so that he's completely scanned out the engine bay and CNC designed it so it fits absolutely perfectly on the back with custom carbon fibre inlets. It's on BT Racing coilovers, white line anti-roll bars. It's got Brembo brakes, which are 4-pop. It's got the factory fitted LSD, which managed to put the power down. It's 300 horsepower and it's 300 pound-feet of torque, and it only weighs a ton, so it absolutely flies. It's fantastic, it really is.
So I think that's going to be it for this week's video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share it. Remember to drop a comment. See you later, guys.